Alright, hello everyone, my name is Hamza and welcome to GFR SMC Trading. In this session, we will do weekly webinar, analyze the market of the major pairs for our upcoming week like gold, GBP USD, Euro USD and other major pairs as well. This weekly webinar will be a last weekly webinar for this year. After that, I will personally take some rest from trading. More, I will create some important stuff for all of you guys regarding learning phase. Weekly webinar will be start from 2024 and with that time period I will create some major stuff uploaded in my YouTube channel in 2024 January. So before wasting our time, let's start our weekly webinar. We will simply switch into weekly time frame and we will see what market is going to impact and what is doing. If we see here weekly time frame, market here was market last higher high. After that high, market is completely falling down to the ground like that. Here was our last high. After that high, market is completely falling to the ground like this. Market has created this low and this high, then created low, then created high, then created low, then created high, low, high, and market fall down and created a high. Here is the some bearish momentum in the market. So if we will see here and analyze deeply, if we see here was our last you can say this is our last change of character. Here was our last change of character. After that change of character, market created this low, market had just this low, and market had just created and taken out previous high, so that will be react like inducement. After that high, market has created this high and break the previous low, which will be caused as breakout of structure. This will be our breakout of structure. After that breakout of structure, market has give us change of character at this time. Here was our change of character. After that change of character, market had created that high. After change of character, market have break the previous low like that. Whenever market have break that low, our higher high will be confirmed at this area, and here is our change of character. After that change of character, we need to find our inducement. Here was our last lower low, because after that low, market had successfully taken out previous high, which will be act like an inducement. So here is our inducement. You can see here market is totally following its bearish move. So after taken out the inducement, we can directly send from at this point like that. Here was our first POI, like this is our first POI which was unmitigated, so it will be act like a smart money trade. After that, we need to find our POIs. First of all, we need to find our unmitigated POIs. If there is unmitigated POI, we can directly sell from that order flow, because order flow, you can say that the order block is a refined thing of our order flow. If there is any unmitigated order flow, then we will wait for the market to tap that order flow and then we will sell from that order flow. Or if there is any unmitigated order block, then we will find that order block. So first of all, we need to find our order flow, unmitigated order flow. So let me find the order flow. If we see here, it was our last order flow which was created from at that area. But if we see here, the order flow is already mitigated. Where is the order flow mitigated? You can see here with that candle, market order flow is successfully mitigated. So this order flow is not valid for us. If we see here is another order flow which is again mitigated. This order flow is mitigated with that candle. You can see here is our unmitigated order flow. Here was our last, this was our last unmitigated order flow. It will be our extreme order flow which is still unmitigated. So that order flow will be act like a extreme POI. We need to find our decisional POI as well. So if we see here from this area, this order flow was we will start from that area. If we see here, this was our first order flow which is mitigated. Why this order flow act like a smart money trap? Because its order flow was mitigated at that area. After that, market tap into our extreme POI at here and give some reaction and then break to the upside. So it was a smart money trap because this order block was not valid because its order flow was already mitigated. So if we see, the next order flow was here at that area. This was our decisional order flow. You can see this was our decisional order flow or decisional order block. This was our decisional order flow and this was our decisional order block. But it successfully failed. Why? Because market tap into that order block, order flow and order block, and then give some reaction and then break to the upside like that and close above it. That means market is now going to our extreme POI and we can buy from that area to till our extreme POI in lower time frame. According to the weekly time frame, market will short term bullish move and then after tapping that zone we can looking for sells. Now if we switch into 4-hour time frame and see what market is going to impact in 4-hour time frame, if we see here, market was completely bearish from that area, and after creating this low at this point, after creating this low, market have turned into bearish to bullish. Now market is successfully following its bullish trend from here to here. If we see here, after taking out this inducement, why this act like an inducement? Because here was some short pullback. After that pullback, market created new high. After that high, market has successfully taken out previous low, so that low will be act like a inducement. So after creating this breakout of structure, this is our breakout of structure. After creating this breakout of structure, our lower low is confirmed at this point. Why this is our lower low? Because it's the lowest point of this whole move. After this breakout of structure, we see here, where is now our higher high? This high will be act like our higher high. Why this is our higher high? Because after that high, market has successfully taken out previous inducement at that area. Here will be low, and its low is successfully taken out, so it will be act like an inducement. After that inducement, market has successfully created breakout of structure here. After that breakout of structure, if we see here, here was our last higher high. After that high, market has successfully taken out this inducement. After taking out this inducement, market have tap into our extreme unmitigated POI. Here was our extreme unmitigated POI. If we see here, market has successfully tap into our POI. Now we will simply switch into 15-minute time frame and see what market is now going to impact. Now we are going to switch our time frame into 15-minute time frame. If we see here what market is going in 15-minute time frame now. Here was our order flow of 4-hour time frame, and if we see here, market has successfully tap into our higher time frame POI. After that, market give that reaction, and this high will be act like a change of character. This last pullback will be act like a change of character. So here is our first change of character, and this will be our major. This was our last major high. So after breaking out the major high, this high will be act like a change of character as well. Now here was our last low, and this was our last high. After that high, market has successfully taken out previous low at this area, so this low will be act like a inducement. After that low, if we see here, market again created a breakout, gave us a breakout of structure to the upside, and after that breakout of structure, market gave us a candle closing. This breakout structure will be at this area like that, because in first attempt market has just sweep. You can see in first attempt market has just sweep the previous high, and second attempt market gave us a complete candle closing. So after that breakout of structure, market gave us a, here is the inducement. Now market is going to taken out previous inducement at that area like that, and where we can buy. In this case, the first order block will be at this point. If we see some impact from the market to the bullish side, then we can buy from that area, and next we can buy from this extreme weak as well, because it's still unmitigated. So here is our two POIs. Now here is two POIs. If we see here, we will simply wait for market to tap into that area, and then we will looking for our buys. But if we see here, the extreme POI will be more valid, because here market is creating a trend line liquidity at that point. So I will personally wait for our extreme POI to tap into, and then I will wait for market to give some reaction, and after LFT confirmation I can simply buy from that area, and our target will be 15-minute last high, which will be at that point. So now I will simply switch into next pair. First of all, we will simply switch into the daily time frame, and we will see what happening in our daily time frame structure. So here is our previous structure. Let me clear all these things. So here is our structure in a daily time frame structure in GBP USD pair. If we see here, there was our last high. After that high, market completely fall down and taken out the previous low. So that low will be act like inducement. After that, market has again push up and break the previous high. So that will be our breakout of structure. After that breakout of structure, we are looking for market to taken out the previous inducement. So after that high, market again fall down and break the previous low. So that low will be act like an inducement. So after that taken out the inducement, our higher high will be confirmed at that point. And after, if we see here, market again push up and break the previous high. So again, this will be our breakout of structure. After breakout of structure, we again simply looking for our taken out the inducement. So after that high, market has successfully taken out the inducement at that area. after taken out the inducement, our higher high will be confirmed at that point, this point. So after that point, market again fall down away to the ground. After that single leg move, market has successfully taken out previous major low that was at that area. After taken out the main low, this will be act like a change of character. Now after change of character, if we see at that point, after that low, market has successfully taken out previous high. So this high will be act like an inducement. Let me mark at. So here is our inducement. Now after inducement, we can simply sell the market from our extreme or decimal POI. So first of all, we will mark our POIs. So if we see here at that area, this is our extreme POI. Why this is our extreme? Because this is at extreme point. So because of that, this is our extreme POI. So where is our decimal POI? Let me mark. Here was our first POI, which will be act like a smart money trap. After that, we need to find our unmitigated order flow or unmitigated order block. If we see here was our unmitigated order flow at that area. So that order flow, or you can say the order block, will be act like our decimal order block at that area. If we see here, market has successfully tap into that order block and fall, give some reaction, and again break to the upside. So our decimal order flow or order block is failed. So now we are waiting for market to push high at extreme POI, and then we will looking for sell from our extreme POI. All the remaining order blocks will be not valid. This all areas will be act like a smart money trap. If we see here, market is creating some trend line liquidity also at that point. So before pushing to the ground again, market needs to taken out that liquidity. So we can simply switch into 15-minute time frame and see if we have some confirmation for bullish trend, take some risk to the bias until our daily time frame extreme POI. Now if we see here what market is now going in 15-minute time frame. So here was our last high. After that high, market has successfully taken out the inducement at that area. You can see here was our inducement in 15-minute time frame. After taking out the inducement, market is break the previous low. This was our last main low. After that point, market has successfully taken out the inducement and break the previous low. So that will be act like a change of character. This is our change of character. After changing of character, market is taken out the previous inducement at that area. After taking out the inducement, market is created this high. After that, market again fall down to the ground and break the previous low, which will be act like a breakout of structure. After that breakout of structure, market created this low. After that low, market is successfully taken out the inducement at that area. After taking out the inducement, market again push to the upside and break the previous main high. So this will be act like a change of character again. So here is the structure. After that change of character, we need to wait for taken out the inducement. After the taken out the inducement, we can wait for market to tap into our extreme or decimal POI. Then we will looking for buys until our daily time frame extreme POI. So after that taken out the inducement, after that high, here was our inducement. But if we see here, market did not taken out inducement and again break the previous high at that area. So simply our inducements, after break out the previous high, our inducement will be shift from that area to that area, because here was inducement, here was our last low. After taken out the last low, which will be act like an inducement, our higher high will be confirmed at that point. After confirmation of higher high, if we see here, market again created a breakout of structure here. After that breakout of structure, if we see here, we will wait for market to taken out the inducement. But if we see in this whole single leg move, we are not finding an inducement at that area. That means if we see here, market again pushed to the upside and created again inducement and taken out the inducement at that point, then come back and then we will wait for our extreme POI. Then market will tap into extreme POI and give some reaction, then we will looking for buys to the upside. But for now there is no bullish momentum and there is no inducement which needs to be taken out. If market will break that low at that area, then this whole move will be act like a smart money trap and where we can looking for buy. Then we will simply look for buy to our unmitigated order flow or unmitigated order blocks. Like this is our unmitigated order flow, sorry, the order block, and this is our again unmitigated order block. So here is some two order blocks where we can looking for buy in GBP USD according to the 15-minute time frame. Now we will simply switch to the gold chart. So here is the gold 15-minute chart. So we will simply switch to the daily time frame. So see what market is now going to impact. If you have watched my previous weekly webinars, then we will you can see that we was looking for buys from this area. From now market is now going to almost 1700 pips from this area, and here was our second weekly webinar where I have successfully told that market now we are going to see again bullish momentum from that area. This was our, if we see here was our November 12 weekly webinars where I was shared my weekly webinars that now I am looking to buy from that area. If we see from same point, market is now going to 700 plus pips from our previous PY. Now if we see according to the daily time frame structure, market again gave us a change of character. After changing of character, market created this high and gave us some pullback and taken out the previous low, which was act like an inducement. Now again market going to break the previous high, which will be our breakout of structure at this point. So according to the daily time frame, market is completely bullish. So we will simply switch to the 4-hour time frame to see what market is now going to impact. If we see in 4-hour time frame, here was our 4-hour order flow, which was a daily time frame decennial POI at this point. But according to the 4-hour time frame, if we see after that high, market again fall down and created this low, and after making this low, market break the previous main low, which will be act like a change of character. After that low, market has successfully taken out the inducement at that point and created this high. After that high, market again fall to the ground and break the previous low, which will be act like a breakout of structure. After taking out this inducement, market again push to the upside and give a change of character to the for bullish side. After giving this change of character, market, we see here is the inducement. After this change of character, if we see it in this whole move, market did not give us a, sorry, after this change of character, market did not created or taken out the previous inducement. After this change of character, we are still waiting for market to taken out this inducement, because before this inducement, market did not taken out any last pullback. Some traders will mark this is a last pullback, but this is not a valid pullback. Why this is a not valid pullback? Because if we see at that candle, this whole move is created under that candle shadow. That means that pullback is not valid for us, because these all candles don't have their own value. So this was our last inducement, and if we see here at that candle or at that move, again the same thing happened here. The whole candles are created under that candle shadow, so that inducement will be not valid, or that pullback was not valid at that point. But if we see here at that area, after created this high, market gave, here is the inducement area. After created this high, here is our inducement area. Now we are still waiting for market to push to the downside and taken out the inducement. After taken out inducement, we can buy from our decennial order flow or order block, which is at that area. This is our decennial order block and this is our extreme order block. Now we will simply switch to the 15-minute time to see what market is now going to impact. If we switch into 15-minute time frame and see what is now going in 15-minute time frame, here was our last high. Mark that high as a main high, which was generated from that main low. So after breakout that main low, market gave us a change of character in 15-minute time frame. Change of character was not confirmed here because market at that area, market is just gave a liquidity sweep. This change of character is confirmed at that area. After that, market again pushed to the upside and taken out previous high. So that high will be act like inducement here. So here was our inducement. After again, market again give break to the downside and this create a breakout of structure. After that breakout of structure, market again push to the upside and taken out previous high. So that will be our inducement. After that high, market break the previous main high, which was at that area. So that will be act like a change of character. This was our last change of character. After that change of character, market again pushed to the upside and created this high. After that high, market again pushed to the downside and taken out the previous inducement at that area. After taken out the inducement, our higher high will will be confirmed at that point. After that, market again gave us a bullish breakout structure with that high. After that bullish breakout structure, where was our inducement? If we see this whole single leg move, some traders will mark that low will be as a inducement. So here was our last inducement at that point. Here was our inducement. After taking out this inducement, market tap into our decimal order block, which was at that area. Here was our decimal order block. Market tap into our decimal order block and gave us this whole bullish momentum. After that, now where will be our breakout? After breaking this breakout of structure, we will simply wait for market. After this breakout structure, we will simply wait for market to take out previous low, and then we will buy from that area according to our goals. But I am still waiting for market to push to the downside. Why I am focusing on a sell momentum? Why I was waiting for a bearish momentum in bullish time frame, in bullish trend? So I was a specific reason. The first reason was, if we see according to the 4-hour time frame, that market did not taken out the inducement in 4-hour time frame. That's why I am still waiting for market to fall from that resistance zone and fall down to the ground and taken out the inducement, and then we will wait for market to tap into this zone, and then we will buy the market to the upside for bullish momentum from that area. This was our first reason. The second reason was, if we see according to the daily time frame structure, market gave us a previous day high sweep. So here was the daily high sweep, and liquidity was successfully taken out from after sweep that high. And after that, if we see here, so let me mark the structure again. Here was our previous day high sweep. After that, that means the inducement and the structure and the liquidity was successfully taken out with that sweep. After that, again market sweep the previous structure which was at that point. Here was the structure sweep. After that sweep, market again created a breakout of structure which will be act like a change of character at this area for short term, and after change of character, market again taken out the inducement here. And where was we was waiting for the sell? Here was our extreme POI where I was waiting for sell. But market, what happened here? But market again sweep the previous high at that area. So here was the high sweep, and here market created a single candle order block at that area. After that, here is our extreme unmitigated wick, which will be act like a order block. So here the structure was the same like that, where I am still waiting for a bearish momentum. Why? Because if we see here, market again creating a trend line liquidity here. So, and here is our extreme order block at that area, and this whole move is our 4-hour time frame decimal order block. So this whole zone is our 4-hour time frame decimal order block, and we can simply sell the market until that zone. So here is the my bearish structure, the why I am still focusing on bearish momentum. So let's see on Monday how market will impact from these zones. If you have any question, you can DM me on my Telegram. The link will be provided in my description. You can join my channel from the description link as well. You can visit my website if you want my mentorship program. We are still starting our fifth batch of the mentorship program, which will be depends on 15 students. If you are looking for to learn SMC trading, you can join our 5th students batch to learn through SMC about the course, and you will get the personal Zoom classes as well. So thanks for watching our weekly webinar. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.